Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize fitness routines with Planet Fitness, beginner guide step by step clearly. The first step is to familiarize yourself with the gym layout. Take a tour of the facility to locate essential areas like cardio equipment, strength machines, and free weights. Next, consider setting specific fitness goals. Identify what you want to achieve, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or improved endurance. After establishing your goals, create a workout schedule. Aim for at least 3 to 5 days of exercise each week. Plan your workouts by alternating between cardio and strength training. Include a mix of exercises to keep your routines engaging and effective. Start with a warm-up before each workout to prepare your body. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes on dynamic stretches or light cardio. When using machines, familiarize yourself with proper form and settings. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to ask a gym staff member for assistance. Incorporate compound movements into your strength training. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Include exercises that target different body parts throughout the week. Listen to your body and allow for adequate recovery time. Make sure to incorporate rest days into your schedule. Stay hydrated and remember the importance of nutrition. Fuel your body with balanced meals that support your fitness goals. Consider taking advantage of Planet Fitness's resources, like fitness training programs and instructional videos. Track your progress regularly through a journal or fitness app. Celebrate small milestones to keep motivation high. Reassess and adjust your goals periodically based on your progress. Finally, stay consistent and patient with your routine. Fitness is a journey, and incremental changes lead to long-term results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.